Hello mga Mima! Welcome to my channel! Another vlog, another videos ni Mami na na-edit. Sobrang busy ni Mami, nakapag-edit pa din. So, this is our life. Keep on watching!
He's a bad kid. Oh my goodness. He is a bad... Oh, ate. He is so mean with you.
Look at this.
He's so mean.
I have a big scar on my foot too. 100%.
Jeez. Why are you being mean to ate? You know ate is the most loving. Hmm?
Oh. I see
course.
how it is. He's on the stream now. We'll watch him. He's on the stream. Hi. Yeah.
Hi. Hi. Maldita.
Oh yeah, guys. I got the
Maldita.
my mad tag.
Oh no!
Mom.
Ah.
Shhh! Mga Mima, huwag kayong maingay. Tulog ang aking mga babies. Tingnan niyo ang aking mga babies. Tulog na tulog. Pag ganito mga oras na, pag pumatak na ng alas 9, sleeping time na nila yan. Especially si Lily. Hindi mo ba talaga yan mapapalabas para maglaro? Lalabas lang siya, iihi, babalik ulit yan. Ang laki na ng mga babies ni Mami. Tingnan nyo mga Mima ko. Yan talaga aking mga happy pill. Kasi pag wala dito ang mga anak ko nasa school, sila ang lagi kong kasama. And I'm so grateful. And salamat ako kay Lord kasi nandito itong mga puppies ko. Look at this baby. Tingnan nyo naman. Ay, grabe. Ikaw na yan, girl. Oh, this is my girl. And that is my boy. Hi, boy. Hi, girl. Si girl and si boy. Hi, Maldita. Hi, Maldita. And of course, andito si Maldita. Hi, Maldita. Maldita. Maldita.
I feel very awkward. I don't
Oh.
Stop. No. Stop recording, Mom.
How old are you, ate? How old are you now?
12.
12. Jeez.
Please. Stop recording.
Please.
No, I'm being serious. Stop recording me.
You're so pretty, my love. My goodness. When you don't have your eyeglasses, just like, you're so like, Abigail.
Stop recording me, please.
You're so pretty.
I know.
Jeez, I didn't notice that your nose is so tall now.
Stop recording me, please.
Are you my daughter?
No.
Because you're so beautiful. You don't believe how I gave birth to a beautiful girl like you.
Stop recording me.
It's okay, ate.
I don't
It's a good memory. I know. Just ignore it. It's mommy's memory. Okay? Just eat.
I feel uncomfortable. Like.
Okay,
when
na.
eating.
I'm not.
Like it's so positive.
Just eat. Okay. What's this? Bruno. Okay, I'm gonna take it. Bruno. Okay, I'm gonna take the video for Bruno. I'm gonna check the video. I took it a while ago.
Are you recording me? I told you to stop.
You're so pretty, ate. Just cannot get off my eyes on you.
Please stop recording me.
Okay, okay. Listen, this is my only mommy's happiness. See, I don't ask about anything. I don't even ask for any wealth in this world.
What about Lily?
Only a video.
What about Lily?
Lily?
Give it a Lily. Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna take a video from Lily.
Okay.
She's sleeping. Look at her. My beautiful girl, wherever you are. They're just so happy to see you, Zoe.
Oh my god.
Bam bam boy. Bam bam boy. Little boy. Little sea boy. Zoe, look in here.
Stop hitting! Ah! 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 Stop hitting me, boy! Oh. Lily! Lily, stop hitting me! Ah! Oh, Lily.
Oh, Lily.
Oh, Lily.
Oh,
Bye, Bruno.
the Bruno. The
Hey,
Bruno.
don't bite her!
See? He's biting the tail.
No, no, hey! Hey! You're a bad boy. Hey, don't bite her! Stop!
Hi, Lily.
Of
course. He wants all the attention. Bruno, share.
Hey, Bruno! Here,
Bruno.
Bruno. Hug me.
Okay, let's go inside. Let's go inside.
Hindi talaga halatang itong mga aso namin is hindi nila alam na mga aso sila. Feeling nilang mga bata din sila. Minsan parang feeling nila mga pusa din sila. Lalo itong si Bruno, parang may identity crisis ito siya. Kasi feeling talaga niya pusa siya kasi ginagamit niya yung paw niya pag interact sa'yo. Na parang pusa. At saka hindi niya alam na malaki siya kasi sa pusa. Oh, big baby nga lang talaga itong si Bruno. Alam niyo mga Mima, itong family na ito at saka itong si Wen, matagal na namin silang kilala. Simula nung nandito kami sa aming dito sa aming paglipat dito sa aming lugar, nakilala namin sila dito. And alam niyo ba, saksi kami sa lahat ng mga pinagdaanan, pati yung mga yung mga paglaki ng mga bata. Kasi mga yan sila, mga childhood friends yan talaga sila. Kasi nung mga buntis pa kami yan, ni Ate Loretta, buntis pa kami. Yung mga baby na yan, baby pa. O, diba? Kaya hanggang ngayon, pa rin, family friends pa din. Diba? Hindi man lang din nakikita-kita, pero nandyan pa rin yung, yung sincerity, yung love, yung family bonding, diba? Manonood kami ng movie, Ash and Fire ng Avatar. Hi, girls! Why are you here? Ano? Grabe kayo? Hi, Kuya! Hi! Zoe! Hi, girl! Happy na naman itong mga dalawang itlog kasi andyan si Daddy. Alam nyo ba, pag nakikita nila yan si Daddy, ay nako, sabi ko sa'yo, sobrang saya nila, as in, sayang-saya talaga sila. Tsaka alam nyo mga Mima, mababait yung mga aso na yan. As in, malaki lang ang katawan niyan, pero believe me, akala nila maliit lang sila na aso kasi akala nga nila mas malaki pang ang pusa kaysa sa kanila di ba? Ganyan sila kabait at saka super loving talaga yan sila. Kaya alam nyo, ang personality ni Mami, pag animal, tawag nito siya? Attitude or something, ano bang tawag niya, basta English Mastiff talaga si Mami, yung ganyang personality kasi tamad tapos active, tamad, ganon, o diba? At saka hindi, lang talaga sila, chill lang sila, at saka on and off lang, pwede mo silang i-on, pwede mo silang i-off, at saka wala kang problema. Ang mo lang is, pakainin mo sila ng marami, yung pagkain nila marami compare sa regular na mga aso. Pero okay lang. Kasi i-bless naman tayo ni Lord kasi pinapakain natin yung mga hayop ng maayos.